Let's take a look at Landboard's SWLEDX8 card. The card has 8 slide switches on it and 8 LEDs. The card is a sandwich of 2 cards together. The top card is the LEDs and switches card. The bottom card is called the SWLEDX8-I2C card, and it has an I2C interface on it. The bottom card has an MCP 23017 16-bit I2C port expander on it, where 8 of the ports go to the switches and 8 of the ports go to the LEDs. This card can also be used standalone with a right angle connector as shown here, or vertically mounted, or whatever you want to do. When used with the SW8LED-X8 card, the display and switches card, it gets mounted vertically. It has address select jumpers, 3 of them, for setting the base address of the card from anywhere from 0x20 to 0x27. It has a daisy chain connection with 2 sets of connections for the I2C, as well as the interrupt out of the MCP 23017 port expander, as well as a connector that would be mounted vertically to connect to the displays and switches card. There's also 2 jumpers for I2C termination. The last card in any daisy chain should be terminated, and the card has the termination resistors on it. So if you were putting a bunch of cards in series, you would remove the jumpers from all the other cards and just have the jumper on this card. Let's take a look at a short demo of the card running, which will read the switches and write to the lights. This particular first demo is running on a Pi Pico MIT-01 card, which Landboards makes. It's running basic and I2C communications, 2 wires to the card. Right now it's reading the switches, the 8 switches, and writing out what it finds on the switches to the lights. Turn the switch up. It'll find it. Off and on. And this little program runs until it sees all 1s and all 0s, and then it stops running. And so it should exit out. And it does. Very nice little program. The card is running with a Pi Pico MIT-01 card over a simple 2-wire I2C interface with 3.3 volts and ground in the same cable. Very nice little card. Let's take a look at the same card running with the Arduino in a box. It's an Arduino Pro Mini designed to fit inside of an enclosure, and it has a little demo program here for reading and writing the card. If you want more information, you can see our wiki pages for these products, and we have YouTube videos on them as well. We have a store in Tindy where we sell all of our cards. Thanks for watching our video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.